Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Math Matters. Yes, you heard it right. Math definitely matters in every case of your life or every step of our life, and it is actually important. And I have keep telling you in our classroom whenever I get chance, and for that, here I am or here we are studying at our home. Definitely. So. In the previous class, we started chapter 7, which one is multiples and factors, and I want to do small revision about the multiples. What is multiples? Can you remember? Check out the word. The word is actually having a story to tell. Okay. If a number is multiplied with another number, then the product of a product is a multiple of the first number. Such as, if you are talking about, let me show you. If you are talking about 7 multiplied by 1, you'll get 7. Then 7 multiplied with 2, you'll get 14. And 7 multiplied with 3, you'll get 21. And the list would continue forever. This is the proof that numbers of multiples like these numbers, numbers of multiples are actually infinite. Okay. It will go on, like if you multiply with 100 with 7, then 700, then 1000, then crore, you can go and go and go on. Okay, so the numbers like 7 is one number, 14 another, 21 another, this number will go on. So multiples of any number are actually infinite. And another thing I want to tell you about even and odd number. Basically, even number, multiples of 2 are even numbers, such as multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. Okay, so all the multiples of 2 are even number, but the multiples which are not from 2 are not even number, they are actually odd number. Now we are going to talk about factors. When we write any number in terms of multiplication of two numbers, then the multiplier and multiplicand are called factors of that particular number basically. Let's see. Suppose we are talking about 12. Then we can write down 12 in terms of 1 multiplied by 12 and 2 multiplied by 6 and 3 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 3. So I am not going to write down again. These are the set of number we get when we break 12 in terms of multiplication, and also they are multiplicand and multiplier. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself are factors of 12. Okay, if you want to carry on again, I will tell you again. When we write any number in terms of multiplication of two numbers, on that time the multiplier and multiplicand both are called factors of that particular number. Now, as you have already known about the both multiplicand multiples and factors, I'm going to take a little break, and I'm going to explain the relation between multiples and factors. If you can see that I have already written the factors of 12 here. So these are the only possible combination. Each of those numbers are factors of 12. Now observe the relation between 12 and its factors. Okay, when we are talking about 1, 12 multiplied by 1 equal to 12. So the 12 is multiples of 1. Okay, if you multiply 2 multiplied by 6, so again it is 12. Here 12 is multiples of 2. If you multiply 3 with 4, then we get 12 again. So you can say that 12 is also multiples of 3. Same as 12 is multiples of 4, 6 and 12 itself. What does that imply? The number 12 is multiple of all of its factors. Yes, it is true. A number is always multiple of all of its factors. Let's go to page 77. Okay, you can see that from there they actually done the factors, which I have already showed you, and you know that what are the factors. 1, yes. 2, yes. 3, definitely. 4, yes. 5, no. 6, yes. 7, no. 8, 9, 10, 11, no. 12, yes. These are the factors. Okay, for you I am going to mark them with my pencil. And I can see that I have filled it up, but I will show you how to do on copy. From page 78, we are going to do 7 and 4. Sorry, it's not 7, it is 1. 1, 2, 10, 5, 4 and 5 number maths. Let's start it. For finding out the factors, we will try to write it all possible product of two numbers. So let's see, I have done them here. Number 1 is 7. You can see I have write down the possible multiplication or product of two numbers is 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Here factors of 7 is 1 and 7. 1 and 7 itself. Okay. Number 9 is having factors. How many factors? 1, 2, 3. That means I have write down here 3 into 3 possible product of two number, but as they are the same number, so we are going to write down only one time. We will write down 3 for only one time. 1 multiplied by 9, 9, 3 3s are 9. So the factors of 9s are 1, 3 and 9. Now I want to tell you a very important thing. Sometime they will ask you, or any other person will ask you, what are the factors of 9? On the time you will write down 1, 3, 9. What are the? Try to understand. Okay, what are the factors? They are asking the factors. They are asking about the factors. So you will write down the factors. But if they ask you how many factor does 9 has, on the time what will happen? It has only 1, 2, 3. 3 factors. Okay, you will write down 3 factors. Not 1, 3 or 9. No, you will not write down. They are asking about the how many factors. So there are 1, 2, 3. 3 factors. You will write down the just 3. That's it. Now 3 number you can see here. Hopefully you can see it properly. 10. 10 ones are 10. 2 5s are 10. Here the factors of 10s are 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself. You can see that in the manner I have write down in a U shape. Okay, every time I am writing any factor from like this, I actually go from up, down and up, U shape, up, down and again up, U shape. Okay, if you follow that on the time, it will actually what should I say, it will be beneficial for you. Here I can say 24, 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. So the factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Okay, these are the factors. This is the way you are going to write down. And for 36, you know it, 136 are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are and 6 6 are. So you can see that there are 2 6 over here, but no, we are going to write down only 1 6. You can see over here, if the numbers are repeated on that time, you don't have to write down both of the number, you will write down only one of them. And another thing I want to tell you, factors are a little bit tricky on that time, sometime like this. After 3, you will get another possible factor, another possible multiplication of two number or product of two number. You can say 6 into 4 and 8 into 3 and 12 into 2. But no, we are not going to go further. Whenever you will see that the number actually already repeated over here, we are not going to go for more numbers or more multiplications. Okay, stop here, right here. Again here, you can see after 6 the number, if you want to write down 9 into 4 and then 12 into 3, as we are actually following the what should I say, straight numbers of consecutive number, you can say. On that time 9 comes after 6 and 12 comes after 9, but no, as you can see 9 is already over here. We are not going to go for another round, we will just stop over here. This is all for today's class, and we are going to do much more maths. We will have much more fun on the next class, inshallah. Take care, goodbye.